Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Kate here and I am back with another tutorial video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply enable voice navigation in Google Maps. So without further ado, let's start. First of all, open Maps on your device. After that, at the top right hand side of your screen, you will see your profile. Go to your profile and then again go to settings. Now once you're at this interface, scroll until you see navigation settings. Now when you see navigation settings, again tap on navigation settings and here you will have all the settings related to navigation. Now to enable voice navigation, make sure that you have selected this unmuted at the top. If you have muted your mute state, then your voice navigation is disabled. So make sure that you have unmuted. Then just below that you will see an option that says guidance volume. So if you want it to be louder, simply tap on louder. Once you're done with this, we have successfully enabled voice navigation in Google Maps. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.